Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Murf AI free trial step by step. So if you want to test AI voiceovers before buying a subscription, yeah, Murf AI gives you a free trial with access to voices and basic features. First, open the Murf AI website in your browser and click the Get Started or Free Trial button. Now sign up using your email address or Google account. Murf AI currently lets new users start the free trial without needing a credit card. Once you log in, you'll enter the Murf AI dashboard where you can create projects, test voices, and generate AI narration. Next, click Create Project and open a blank voiceover project. So this is where you'll convert text into AI speech. You can still explore features like voice customization, speed controls, pitch adjustments, and project sharing while using the free trial. If you need downloads, commercial use, or longer voice generation time, you can upgrade to one of Murf AI's paid plans later. And that's basically how to use the Murf AI free trial from start to finish. After testing the voices and features yourself, you'll know whether the platform fits your workflow.